Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I have another Boxycharm unboxing video for you for the month of July. If you love these types of videos, please let me know by liking this video and I'll gladly make more for you. Thank you so much, and let's just get into the video. This is what my box looked like when it arrived. So scary. I was afraid that things would be broken, but surprisingly they're not, thank God. So we'll get into what I got and I'll go through each item, tell you the price, show you what it is, and I'll link everything underneath and also the total value of the box. And I have a playlist with many more videos like this, so I'll link that underneath too. Thank you so much. So the first thing, it says Boxycharm Au Naturel. That's the theme of this month's box. Next, they give us a little coupon for an Elemis Flash Facial, $10 off at the Ulta Skin Bar, which is really nice. The first thing I see is this Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl Gloss in the color Corazon. So this is what it looks like. This is the applicator on it. And this is a swatch of it. Here. So it's really pretty. It's pretty much like a nude pink, so definitely something that I would use for sure. So this gloss retails for $10 and it's also cruelty free. So I'm excited about that. The next thing is this Appeal Gel Liner in the color Desert Taupe. This is what it looks like. I've actually been getting into eyeliners again. I'm wearing one today, just black on my waterline. So I'll give this a try. As long as I just can't stand when they're like wooden ones that are really sharp because it hurts my eye so bad. So hopefully this one's smooth, and it retails for $21. So that's the next thing. The next thing is this Gaya 3-piece brush set. It says it comes with a large eye blending Luxie brush, a Luxie precision crease, and a Luxie foundation brush. So here's the brushes here. They're extremely beautiful. They're very beautiful. They're pink with rose gold, and they're quite fluffy looking. I can see myself using this big one for putting on face masks. And these retail for $30, and I always love to get some good brushes, so I'm happy about those. The next is this Butter London palette. It's called the Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. It's also cruelty free, and this is the colors here. Here's the colors here. So very beautiful. Some shimmer and some matte. So very beautiful colors. I've used this once. You definitely have to use an eyeshadow primer because they're not the most pigmented that I've seen, but they wear beautifully on the eyes and they do make a really nice eye look. It's good. These are good colors for every day. So I'm happy with that, and this retails for $32. Always love a good palette, and there's a mirror on the top as well. So happy with that. And last but my favorite is this. This is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It retails for $35. It's full size. I was so excited to get this because I find certain brands of skincare that really work well for my skin, and Elemis is one of them. I have a video review on one of their products. I'll link it underneath if you're interested, but it works so well for my skin, the products that I have tried from this brand. So I'm super happy to get this one, and I hope it works just as well. This mask here retails for $35. So that's everything that I received in my box here. This busted up box. So that's everything. I'm actually really happy with this month's box. Whenever there's skincare, a good palette, or a mascara in it, I'm already sold. So I love this box so far. I'll keep my subscription to Boxycharm and BoxyLuxe. And just like this video, letting me know to make more videos like this for you. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of your summer. Bye!